Hello, good evening everyone. Mike Arnold here. Bitcoin update. So couldn't get to the next key gain level, stalling out at 7,600, which we also talked about the round number again, those round numbers. So I've been rounding down our gain levels to those round numbers. Came back, returned, broke down from a previous breakout area, rallied back up, tested it, lightened up some there. Again, the 62.5 level we've talked about multiple times is also resistance. Then came back down. Now we have a head and shoulders pattern that is confirmed and triggered. Not when we're shorting, but it is confirmed and triggered. We have the shoulder, head, and the shoulder. Shoulder to shoulder connects, makes the neckline, and then we can project down from where it is broken and come up with our levels. Why are we identifying these levels if we're not shorting it? We're identifying it for bigger pullbacks, where areas we can potentially look to add. Right now, it's going back up, kissing the neckline goodbye, and it looks like we're going to get the first cross rotation zone. So we're in somewhat cautious mode. We're in more conservative mode now, watching for a potential bigger pullback. We already still have our core position, so we're not worried about missing anything. We're now just looking for suitable areas to add should we get the bigger pullback. Why might we expect a bigger pullback? Well, we just got a reversal pattern. It's moved pretty far, pretty fast. Let's zoom in on the weekly pattern. Look how far this has gone up. We're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks. This is now the new week. 6 weeks up. We're pulling away from the rotation zone on the weekly pattern. So we would not be surprised to see a potentially bigger pullback, or a pullback and a consolidation to let the rotation zone catch back, or even a pullback to the rotation zone on the weekly basis. Let's check in on that daily chart. Daily chart. What's going to be critical for us is also if we get a extended move or close below the 8 EMA. So that is key that we're watching for on the daily chart, and then you can see where these levels are. So these levels put it clear in the middle of the rotation zone on the daily. So these levels could easily be hit. We have 3 key levels down here that could easily be hit, all taking it within the rotation zone on the daily time frame, and then we'd be watching for a longer term rotation back up. This is actually a healthy pullback. We'd like to see it pull back. It gives us ability to accumulate at a lower price in a high probability area. So again, let's go back to our 4-hour chart and take a look at what those levels are. So first level, we have about 68.47, 68.50 level. Then we have 6,700, right on that round number by chance. And then we have about 65.68. So those are the levels we're watching for. Again, we're really concerned, switching back to the daily chart, this 8, right now we're at the concept 8 pushing the price. But if we do get below this 8, which is really the 6,900 level, that's when we're really going to be focused on these bigger levels. Do you ever know ahead of time when you're going to get these bigger pullbacks? No. You can get signs like this topping pattern, which was head and shoulders. You could get a double top pattern. You could get some sell signals based off of long-legged candlestick patterns, dark cloud covers, etc. But you never precisely know. That's why we work with the probabilities, we analyze our levels, then if we do get the pullback, we've also lightened up some of our position, taken off some profits at these key levels, and now we have capital left to put it back on and still trade around our core position. Hope these concepts are really helping everyone learn to trade Bitcoin and the other altcoins, and even trade anything you want in general. That's what we're here for. Thanks for all your comments. Trying to give you as much information as we can in a timely manner. Talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.